In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Favicon icon to your store. Head to the settings on the top left corner. Search for the store details right here. Or you can alternatively close this. Favicon. And then you're going to be prompted in the themes customization tab right here to add your Favicon icon. Click customize or click on here. Customize. In this page, you're going to be looking at this. Head to theme settings, as I said. Search for this right here. And then you're going to be looking for the Favicon icon, which is going to be down right here, Favicon icon. Select an image, for example, and choose from your library. Upload it and save it, and there you'll be good to go. If you don't have a Favicon icon, go to Google, search free Favicon icon. Choose either an image that you have, a text that you have. For example, let's click this F, for example, or T. Since it's tutorials, click on download. Here's our Favicon icon. Download it. Head back to the Favicon icon right here. Close those tabs. Make sure that your Favicon icon is set as an image directly to make it easier to navigate. Unzip your file so you can see the unzip process, but it's basically, let me go back to our favorite browser, choose the library, choose downloads, choose the Favicon icon, and choose it right here. Click save on the top right corner, you guys. Select first of all, save on the top right corner as it is necessary, and then reload your page or click on view, and then you should be having your own Favicon icon. Right here, click view, and we can see that our Favicon icon has been successfully generated.